Why does your scanner show the P042D engine code? What does it mean? P042D is a diagnostic trouble code for catalyst temperature sensor circuit high, bank 1, sensor 2. The P042D engine, code for Indicate Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected that the temperature sensor located after the catalytic converter on the passenger side of the engine is high. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective catalyst temperature sensor. Damaged or corroded wiring. Faulty oxygen sensor. Severe exhaust leaks. Engine running too rich or lean. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, BMW, Tata, Toyota, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.